In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enroll merged contacts in contact-based workflow. By the end, you'll know how to automatically detect when two contacts are combined and instantly alert your team right inside HubSpot. This is great for keeping owners informed, preventing duplicates from slipping through, and maintaining clean records without manual follow-up. First, open your browser, head to Google, and type HubSpot. Click through to the HubSpot website and sign into your account. Make sure you're using an account with permission to create and manage workflows. If your organization uses single sign-on, follow your usual login method and select the correct portal. Once you're in, hover your mouse over the left sidebar and find Automation. Click Workflows to open the Automation workspace. Here's where you'll build the enrollment logic and the follow-up action. Click Create Workflow, then choose from scratch. You'll be taken into the Workflow Builder for contacts. Now let's set up the enrollment trigger that detects merged records. Choose a trigger, then use the search bar to find Merged Contact IDs. Select the contact property named Merged Contact IDs. This property is automatically populated by HubSpot whenever two contact records are merged, so it's a reliable way to enroll only those specific contacts. Click Next, then click Next again to confirm your selection. When prompted, click Save and continue to land in the workflow canvas with your trigger in place. Now, add the action your team will receive when a merge occurs. Click to choose an action, open the Communications category, and select Send In-App Notification. This lets you notify HubSpot users directly in their notification center. In the notification settings, choose Send to Users. Then choose Send to Teams. Also select Send to Existing Owners, so the current contact owner is included automatically. Add a clear subject, such as Contact Merged, and write a concise body that explains what happened and what, if anything, the recipient should review. Keep it short, informative, and consistent with your team's process. When you're done, click Save. To activate the workflow, click Review and turn on at the top right. You can go through the review panel and click Next or use Skip to turn on if everything looks good. Finally, click Turn on Workflow to make it live. From now on, any contact with a populated merged contact IDs value will enroll and trigger your in-app notification, keeping your team aligned and your database tidy.